Hey guys, look at this little guy. I named him Mr. Squishy because he's really squishy. And sorry I haven't been uploading, I just been like really busy at work, but yeah. And there's a cricket there. And I need to clean out his tank because it's pretty dirty. But yeah. Since I got him, the blue coloration has really stood out on him. Look at the blue. Nice, really nice. And this is a side blotched lizard. Yeah, I have them with the 75-watt bulb, and I need to get the UVB one. Probably go later on today, but that's for now. And yeah, I have them in a 5.5 gallon tank. I do have the 40, but for now, I'm just gonna keep them right here in the 5 gallon. I want to catch a female, and if I do catch the female, then I'll move them. I'll definitely move them right away to the 40 gallon tank. Yeah, I have the water there, and I heard that these like hardly drink out of the water bowl, and that they get their water from the crickets. So the crickets, I have them here, and then that's the Fluker's water gel thingy. So yeah, that's Mr. Squishy. Let's see if I can hold them. Alright. Come here, Mr. Squishy. Oh. Yeah, there he is. Yeah. And then I got these rocks from that place where I went to catch lizards. I just brought them, put them in here. He usually hides in there. Sometimes at night, sometimes at night he digs under the sand. Yeah. He was eating earlier. I wanted to catch him on camera, but I was too late. There he is. Right now it started raining, so I can't go out to look for more lizards. Yeah, that's an update on Mr. Squishy. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See ya. Oh, one more thing. I really want to congratulate Amazing Animal Adventures for reaching his 50 subscribers. So please guys, go subscribe to him. He has a really amazing content. Alright guys, see ya.